channel. This is my YouTube channel here. I'm generating one YouTube video backlinks. First of all, select this video, copy the YouTube URL. After that, you have to wait for here for open the video. Keep on the mute. Your title and description very important. Your title and description. Your title matching on your description is a mandatory field. Yes, here. First website, go to massping.com. Write a procedure. Select any YouTube URL. Go to masspings.com. Select option call is YouTube backlinks. Select option call is YouTube backlinks. First of all, here is asking only for your video ID only, not for entire URL. So here, the ID will be called here. This is the ID. After is equal, the ID was display here. Watch V for video is equal your ID. Now here, place your ID here. After that, very important, your title. First, I'm selecting for YouTube ID. Second option, my keywords. So you're writing this one. Interior designers, design. Now, third step, choose your backlinks. 50, 100, 500, 1000 plus. Now I'm setting only for 50. How many backlinks? So here I'm setting on ID. After give the select my keywords. After give the my backlinks. Here you decide your backlinks, your interest. Okay, maybe it's select by 1000 plus or 50 or 100 or 500. But I'm setting only for 50 backlinks. Now click forward that. Start back linking. Now they started 50 backlinks. Wait for few minutes. So how much time taken? They will show you this here. Now here. Look the screen. I show the here. I'm give only for YouTube ID. Yes or no? Now see the my backlink. See this. They give V is equal to my ID will be displayed. See this one. Please write down this example. So this is my Massping website. So just scroll on here and give how many backlinks? 50. Now just scroll on. Scroll down. How many finished right now? 44. You have to wait for a second here. Now is a 45. So everything will be give the tick mark or into mark. Always they give the tick mark. This is called give the original backlinks. Massping.com they give the original backlinks. Backlink nothing but google.com/YouTube link. That is called your backlink. Bing.com/YouTube backlink. These are your YouTube URL. Your YouTube URL dependent by your title and description. Massping.com and the other website, they're creating for resource for your YouTube channel for getting viewers. See here, this is my video. Just search keyword here. I'm going to the incognito window. Just search this keyword. Where I'm searching by Google. See this one. It's coming my project. Suppose here I'm changing for so what I'm writing for interior design, but I'm searching for interior designer project. So here my target is if anyone searching for interior designers in Rainbow Vista. These are my targeted keywords. This is uploaded by only for few hours back, not few hours, just 1 hour ago. But exactly 1 hour ago I'm uploading for this video. So this. So they helpful for the anybody searching your keyword for anything, maybe Kuberpalli, maybe Rainbow Vista or Interior Designer or Interior Decorator. They show your this video for Google search engine purpose. These are YouTube's strong backlinks. Now right now second website, copy the URL, go to get package. This your login will be successfully only for Gmail. They accept only for Gmail. Suppose if you go Outlook or Yahoo, is a difficult. So always prefer the Gmail for verification purpose. Now your option call is save a URL. Click the my mouse, save a URL, copy the YouTube link, click for save. These are also supported by here. Here, there is any showing any image here? No. Simple one. Just refresh. After adding the URL, refresh the option here. Done. Now, after that, please write down, add your tags. Click the video below. Option call is edit tag. Write down your tags. Procedure very important for generating backlinks. Every tag will be separated by comma. Remember, every tag separated by the comma. Your tags don't reach more than 10 characters. Your tag don't reach more than 10 characters. Please write a note. Character don't reach more than 10 characters. Click for save. Done. So my order option selecting for save as a URL. First add your YouTube URL. Just refresh the website. Add your tags. Now go to the third website, Instapaper. Copy the YouTube URL. Go to Instapaper. These also login with your only for Gmail access. This two website, please write down. Backup for Delicious. Instapaper and Get Pocket. Backup of Delicious. The site is not working. Is a backup for the website. Delicious. DELI. Don't write in spelling mistakes. See the screen. DELICIOUS. Here. If you write domain name, please write the domain name also here. This is a domain name. del.icio.us. This is a US related website. Get Pocket and Instapaper belongs to for Delicious website. Now write down third website, Instapaper. Here, log in your account, along with your Gmail, click for. Here I'm not discuss about the sign up. I'm show only for how to we can generate backlink. Why? Sign up is very easy process. Add your username, Gmail and password. Yes or no? So here, click for add link, copy the YouTube URL, click for add. After adding, just refresh your screen. See this one. Added done. Here, Get Pocket and Instapaper, one different. Here we can't add the tags. Instapaper, we can't add the tags. Tags are nothing but keywords. Now just refresh. They highlight based on your title and description. Now see this. So clear? Why very important for SEO on page? That is called your title and description. Anything will be dependent by SEO on page. That is called title, description and keywords. Write down fourth website, Reddit. Reddit, reddit.com. First of all, log in your account. Now, Reddit, we have the two options. Write down. One is called keyword promotion. Second will be link promotion. One is called keyword. Second will be link. Link, web link, or YouTube link. So here, look the screen here. I am logging my Reddit. Yes or no? Successfully. Now, write down procedure. Go to particular YouTube video. Go to particular YouTube video. The option call is YouTube share. The option call is YouTube share. Select option call is Reddit. Yes, some different. Not go to the website. I'm go to the right YouTube to Reddit. Now click the Reddit option. See the symbol, please. The symbol of some icon. Now click for Reddit option. My account already login. Yes or no? Now here. URL done. Title and done. Now add it. This belongs to for interior right now. What is it called? This is my category. Interior design. So automatically taken by title and the description. Yes or no? The option click for Reddit. Now click for I am robot. I am not a robot. Click for submit. Here, lot of people will be questioned. So already we opened the Reddit website. Why we go through YouTube? Why? Because sometimes Reddit website is not working properly. The problem is server down. So we can share always YouTube to share with the social media. So that we will be getting more benefits. More benefits. That is called more likes also. Who will give the report for the more benefit? vidIQ toolbar. Where we can find out? Simple here. Just come down. Yeah, what is that? Look the options. Please write down this. Reddit upvotes, Reddit comments, Reddit post. So look the screen here. Reddit, what is called? Upvote, Reddit comment, Reddit post. See here. After submitting, see here. What is that option called is? Comment, share, save, hide, delete. Here. These are options. Now you can go with the comment also. This is your comment box. This video promoted by who? Reddit. Now see this. Simple, right? I'm writing for option here. 1 second. So just the comment here. Just click for save. See here. I comment done like this. They're showing my website and contact email address, all information. See this. Now you can click for edit. Write down your more information also. Click for save. Is it clear? This is for comment. We can write a n number of comment. Each comment time will be 9 minutes. One comment to another comment time is 9 minutes. Please write down. Reddit. You writing one comment. If writing another comment. So one comment, another comment time is 9 minutes. So this is for sharing the backlink for Reddit website. Write down next one. Tumblr. tumblr.com. Tumblr. First copy the website YouTube video URL. First copy the YouTube URL. So I'm clicking for video. Here two options are available. One is called your desktop video. They promote your desktop video. Second thing is that your any URL, maybe YouTube or Dailymotion Vimeo also. They support by the 3. Now click for what is that? Add video from web. Now copy this, paste it. Now, very important one is called your title. Done? With the screen, first I'm adding the YouTube URL. Now, just copy this one. Just control the complete keyword. Now I give the hyperlink. Why? If anybody searching the link also, they're going to YouTube video. If anybody click the video also, they play the YouTube video. That is why I give the hyperlink. Hyperlink nothing but anchor text. Now clear? Click for post. So after posting, they're showing here. Done. Here I'm missing one option here. If anything missing the option, now here go to setting here. What option called is edit. Here I'm forget one option. What is called tags? Where? Here. Please write down the tags. Interior. Interiors. Designers. So done. Click for save. So anything will be dependent on your YouTube link. Always title and description. So last website, go to this bookmarkforyou.com. Bookmarkforyou.com. Log in your account. Copy the YouTube URL. Write down steps. Go to save your website. Save your website. Paste the YouTube URL. Click for next. So automatically generated by your title, description, and your tags. Tags nothing but your YouTube tags. Now here, what is that? YouTube URL, title, description, and tags. Now, write down your captcha numeric code. Click for next. Now it's done. So which is highlighting here? Our title and description. Where we'll check? Just go to here, my favorites. What are the link submission? We check the my favorite. Please write down bookmark for you submission. We check the my favorite option. So these all website we can making backlink for your YouTube channel. So same like lot of websites are there. So we'll be using for start ID and news me back, newswine. These are websites we can using Digo. These are websites we can making for backlink. Focus. These are websites we can making the backlinks. I can give you some example of the 6 websites. These are top first 6 websites. One is called Masspings, GetPocket, Instapaper, Reddit, Tumblr, and bookmarkforyou.com. Is it clear? This is for your generating backlinks. If anybody searching your keyword on Google, your YouTube will show the Google search engine first position purpose. This is highlighting your keyword. Remember, this is highlighting for your keyword. For showing for video, any YouTube first position and Google search engine first position.